So guys, today your girl Michelle is going to purchase our washing machine, guys. So may I take you along with me on the journey, guys. So come with me. Right now, guys, may I go through pier and then me cut on the main to go to courts. I'm going to sing courts. So guys, me almost reached the courts. That yellow building there. So guys, this is the courts that I will going inside now.
Yeah, I think the follow inside that kind of bring more attention. Yeah, exactly.
And the sun. So guys, this is the machine I would like to purchase, guys. Whirlpool. Either the Whirlpool. Look on the inside. The other one more broader. This is 20 kilogram Whirlpool. This is the one I want to purchase, guys, but may I try this one. I see him saying LG and a LG may have up there. And I see him saying Jackie saying no. May I go take this one. So guys, tell me in the comment section if you da choose the LG or this one smart. I have one at home but 16 kilogram, or the Whirlpool. So so guys, we are touring the place before we are ready to purchase the washing machine. The bed them down there, so you have to ask them. So guys, look at the nice comfortable settee. Come Shelly, come get a seat. Let me show the people there. Guys, settees, yeah. The settee is very comfortable. Yeah. I'm gonna sit down in there. I feel comfortable. Yes, guys. My daughter is in the settee. My cute little baby. This is what now? This is a sofa bed. It's a sofa bed. You can buy, 79 feet, 79. So take one.
The same price. Basically the same price.
So guys, I'm still touring. This is a nice settee. Look guys. So I'm here to purchase my washing machine, guys. I have a LG, but the LG can I plug in a next fridge in it. Yeah. I plug in something in the same socket. So I lick the socket, guys, so it not working the machine. This is a upstairs and downstairs bed, guys, for a little one. All big one can sleep on it too. Go look at me machine. Go and look at your bed. This is a nice mattress, guys. Look look at the mattress. So nice bed over here.
What is this one?
Singer.
Upstairs and downstairs bed.
Singer. May I look on the fridge? Buy me for 7. These are the stove, guys. These are the fridge. These are the fridges. This is one of the machine, guys. So next on the fridge are there. These are the prices. So Whirlpool. Jackson, we teach people to drive. Look, guys, Jillian here.
When we run the teach me, I know
What's it? This, what I buy? 100,000, guys. Jamaica with this.
And this smaller bag, who can I get? See that?
59. So guys, tell me in the comment section which one of the washing machine you would choose. Either may I go back on it again. Remember? Yeah, okay. This one is what? Warranty 5 year. Indora, the Frigidaire, and the maybe or Marby. That's it. This is Frigidaire or the LDA or the So guys, tell me in the comment section which one you choose. So guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to your girl Michelle. Bye.